How to add leads in Zoho CRM app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Zoho CRM app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to add leads in your Zoho CRM account, here in this home page, at the bottom right, you can see this leads option. Tap on it. Here you'll find all the leads that you have in your account. Now, in order to add a new leads, here you can see the plus icon in the bottom right. Tap on it. You'll see two different options. You can either manually create one or import them from a file. So if you want to manually create a lead, you can tap on this add lead option. From here you can add leads to your account. Here are different details that you can update about the leads. You can update the photo, you can insert the company name, provide the first name and last name of your leads, provide their email address, their phone number, and once you are done, you can tap on this tick mark in the top right corner. So that's it. That's a very easy process to add leads in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.